They discuss the matter on top sanitary towel, sanitary pad. As women, a lot of women all over the world, we talk about the hike in price. It dey very very expensive, meaning say if you no get money, no fit afford them. And this na something wey be say not be only adults they use. We get teenagers wey dey use them. If you dey live for rural area, it can be like say if you not get money, you know, if you use pad. The other one na the fact wey be say the the wings where you take clip on for under, people they complain say the thing no dey stick well. They complain say e be like say gum not dey enough. Another one, how far? E be like say some people dey complain say e dey itch, e dey do this, e dey do that. So many issues for something wey be say e dey very very essential and important to millions of women. And as e be so, e be like say make government step in, abi how una see am, or because e be like say dem no dey scrutinize. Oh God, oyinbo is a bitter leaf, na why they do pidgin. E be like say dem no dey scrutinize this whole thing, because wetin dey sup, because how we say something wey dey as essential as sanitary towel go dey expensive, something wey dey very very important, we go dey complain of one lapse, and I never see anybody come out, step out. We get minister of health now, all these bodies, like wetin dey sup. So wetin be the solution to these problems? Shey we need to dey call some people out, abi government need to step in? Do you understand? Abi you never experienced this thing before? Tell me. If you don't experience am, how you feel say we fit do this thing? The price, it dey affect.
maybe 89.9 Yanga FM.